are 3 essentials to help you get started with building an online presence. 1, be authentic. Show up in a way where we are genuine, honest, and transparent. So you want to think about your target audience. Think about their pain points, what they want to learn, what they want to know, and how they want to grow. And create content that is authentic. And how you can do it is by sharing personal antidotes. Share your struggles, share successes, share how you overcame them, right? Share even tools. Think about what your target audience wants and create something that's authentic for you. Because what I have found is that once you're authentic, you are going to start attracting the right audience for you. No, you don't need thousands of persons, but what you want is the right audience for you. And your authenticity can help you to achieve just that. 2, be consistent. Now, listen, guys, this was one thing I was failing at terribly. See, authenticity there. But yeah, being consistent. So I was really a mess with consistency. Like at one point I'd show up, posting like 3 times for the week. Another time I'm disappear, I'm gone, right? And so when you're not showing up consistently, what is happening is that your audience won't believe you. They don't trust you. And what I found is that consistency helps to build trust. Someone who does this so awesomely is Matty James. Check her out. She has a new book out called Everyday Magic. And she talks about consistency there, right? So she talks about the system she puts in place in order to be consistent, right? So in order to be consistent, you have to have systems in place, my friend. Whether it's a content schedule, whether it's how you organize you are, you have to put something in place in order to be consistent, and you can eventually build a trust and grow your following. And lastly, be valuable. Be valuable. What does your audience want to know, right? Create content that will help them. So whether you want to give tips or advice, whatever it is, just be valuable. Don't show up in the space just taking up another space, right? You want to be creating something that is meaningful and that your audience can take away, whether they can take a practical advice or practical tip and apply it in their very own lives. So those are my top 3 essentials to building your online presence as an entrepreneur. All right, let's get it.